I've been through what we've been through. I'm still where nobody was. Time for me. You are time for me. Pero menina, quero ver. Eu quero ver você agora rolar. Eu quero ver, menina, quero ver. O cara manda macaco pra você cantar. É macaco, 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 macaco. Conheço o macaquinho que é filho do macacão. É tudo macaco velho que mora lá no seu chão. Eu quero ver, menina, quero ver. Eu quero ver você agora rolar. A cabeça, bola teu corpo, dança comigo e faz festa do jeito.
My name is Sandra Joy Unable and my Instagram is Current Designs. It's Kurent Designs, and everything is done by me. I started this company about 4 years ago. The reason why it's current because it never goes out of style, and I go with the flow. So gotta rock the current all day, every day. Slogan is where art is life. So the whole thing is like I'll design everything, and y'all will be my walking canvas. I don't put things on walls. I have all of my art moving around on people's bodies.
Name is the Sinister Saints.
The Instagram is the Sinners to Saints. Yeah.
Cool.
So it's with the message that we all have flaws, but at the same time, everybody has goodness in them.
Yeah.
So we are trying to inspire that goodness from everybody, right?
Nice.
We're gonna bring the best out of everybody, right? Through unique designs. Check this out. That's what we're about. We are the angels. It's online. We deliver express, same day delivery available.
Wow.
Yeah. Follow us. Tap in.
ultimate goal is to promote artisans all over the world, but first starting with African artisans. So most of these things, I have them brought in from Africa by artisans who have not made a lot of money because of COVID. So I sort of like buy from them, market value, and just like sell them over here. So I have necklaces. It's like long necklaces. They're like, let me grab one for you. So good. Yeah, necklaces, different colors, different shapes. I also have anklets, which other people just use like bracelets to wear. And I also have these glasses. They're all different designs